Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Tecno Spark 6 Go. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Tecno Spark 6 Go and you are wondering how to change language in your phone. In order to do that, you click in your phone settings section. After click on settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, we're going to see here something say date and time. If you click date and time, you can see here is a set date and set time. If I'm going to try to change date and time, it is invisible. Here where it's happening, you need to turn off this. You have to click here, use network provider time. You need to click here off. After click off, now it will give you option to set date and time. If I want to set the time, I can choose the time. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Tecno Spark 6. But one thing I would like to share with you that if you turn on GPS, that means it will help you a lot. If you are in London and you went to Dubai, your phone going to be automatically appear that currently city you are. So I'm going to make my phone use network provider time. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.